Welcome to our Snooze News.
Don't cut that out.
Today we are doing something super unique. We're actually going to take a field trip, several field trips.
Yeah.
To all of our Texas Mattress Maker showrooms. We started off with one location and now we have several. Mm-hmm. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go to Katie.
Hi, I'm JB. Welcome to Texas Mattress Maker's Katy location. Come on out and see us and we'll get you fit into the mattress that'll get you your best night's sleep.
Where are we going to go now?
The Woodlands.
We also have furniture there.
Hi, I'm Crystal, the manager here at Texas Mattress Makers in the Woodlands. Come on out and see us. Let us fit you for a mattress.
And now we're going to Humble.
And this is the way she dressed.
Hi, I'm Diego, and I'm the manager here at Texas Mattress Makers Humble. Come see me soon.
Where are we going?
The Baytown.
This is how he drives.
And we have furniture there.
Yep.
Hi, my name is Daniel Martinez, manager at Texas Mattress Makers Baytown. We welcome you to come out and purchase a mattress at factory direct prices. Thank you.
And now I want to go closer to Galveston, so I'm going to go to Baybrook.
Okay.
Hi, welcome to Texas Mattress Maker Baybrook. I'm Heather. Please come in and let me get you fitted for the perfect mattress.
Now we're going to Rosenberg. The interesting thing is the person you'll meet.
Ooh.
Hi, I'm Lex, and welcome to Texas Mattress Makers at Rosenberg location. Come out and see me, and we'll get you fitted into a mattress that'll give you the best night's sleep you've ever had.
Now we're going to go to my backyard and your backyard, Meyerland.
Ooh.
Hi, my name is Erica, manager at Texas Mattress Makers Maryland. Please come to see me for a perfect fit of your mattress.
And now
We're going to Memorial. Wow. Big. Lots of furniture and mattresses.
a lot of furniture.
A lot of furniture. You noticed her finger?
Hi, I'm David. Welcome to Texas Mattress Makers in Memorial. Come on in where I can fit you with a great mattress for your best night's sleep.
And now we're going to bring it on back home where it all started. We're at the factory, the original downtown location. And we're going to do something interesting. We're going to take you back for a special look at our production and a quick costume change.
Thank God. All right, so we're in the mill room. I don't know if the camera can see, but we have lots of lumber. And here we build all of our frames. That's why we can customize everything to anyone that other companies cannot do anymore because they don't have all the facilities.
It's also where we make all the furniture frames.
Sometimes coffins.
Well, let's keep going.
Okay.
So now we're in the area of the mattress production. And this is where we make and handcraft all of our mattresses.
That's correct. And all around us are different kind of foam, convoluted, as you can see. You know, that gives you different firmnesses and thicknesses. This is how we dictate how much and how fast you sink in a mattress or not sink in a mattress. So this is the single most specialized area of the factory. Here we take your orders after we measured you and fitted you into your mattress. And this is actually where it's happening.
And again, I'm looking at the showroom. So when we say it's factory direct, it's factory direct. Let's go.
So here we have the different kinds of springs, right? I want to show everybody this because this is special. It's all ours. This is the quantum coil. This is a coil that we're the only ones that use. As you can see, it's nothing special if you look at it. But do you know that you can drive a semi on top of this and it will rebound just like it is right now? That's what makes it special.
Well, and if you don't believe us, you can go to our website and go check out the quantum mattresses and we show exactly that.
That's exactly right. We say this is forever. I mean forever. Forever for you, forever for your beautiful daughter, forever for her beautiful daughter. When the time comes, not a joke. This is going to support 18,000 pounds per cubic foot. So this is the biggest sewing machine that you will ever see. What specializes in this sewing machine is that it can actually, you see this, these are the threads? Right. This machine can sew up to 370 pieces of thread, which means that you can have 300 different kinds of sewing patterns. But what makes it really special is that it can sew 360 degrees without stopping. And when everybody looks at a mattress and it looks puffy and pretty and this machine does. That's the great part about it. You know how when we deliver mattresses, we pick up customers' old mattresses? And we always say that we recycle everything?
Yeah.
Steel, foam, fabric, cardboard, plastic, and so on and so forth. Okay, this is a bun of recycled foam that we send, we shredded it, and then it comes into a bun. Now, people can use this for dog beds, they can use it, mainly they use it for carpet padding, but I had this brought so we can shoot and show the folks exactly what happens from a solid piece. Once it's brought back, we don't want it to get reused. We don't want it to go to a dump. We want to be green. We want to save.
So it's important to know that we don't put this in your mattress.
No, we don't. I just brought this just to show what is the process from to.
I'm learning as you are. I've never seen this.
This machine can cut foam, no matter what density and firmness, from 316 on up to obviously whatever we need, but you can see all the way around. The colors, if you can look over here, just for a second, the colors represent different types of material and different densities. High, very high quality foam. Why do I have it in colors? Because I don't trust anybody. So they make it to me in a color that I know that I can come and check and gauge that they are what they're supposed to be.
And it's pretty. So we just took you through an abbreviated tour of our factory. There's so many other places to see, but for the sake of timing, we wanted to make sure that you could see the important places. And this factory is located in our navigation location. So you're actually able to see where we make the mattresses if you come to our East Downtown factory showroom. And
you come Monday through Friday, and you want to see how things are produced from 6:30 a.m. to 4:30 in the afternoon, you will be invited, if you so choose, to go out and see. Another important thing I want to mention, all these mattresses that you see, unlike other warehouses that they are for inventory, pre-made to sell, excuse me. As you can see, each one of them has a sticker, and the sticker represents a customer. All these are sold. We made them like making bread. You want a loaf? Here's yours. And I don't know if you can see, there's some with pink little tags, okay? Those pink little tags means that that mattress was custom made, meaning one half this way, one half that way for the customer that's on there.
And that is amazing, and we can do it because we're the factory and nobody else can do that. So you really are getting your mattress when you buy from Texas Mattress Makers. You don't have to come to the factory location to get the same quality product. You can go to any of our locations, and as you saw in this segment, we took you on a tour of all the ones that we have open today. So to view the location near you, go to our website, and we hope to see you so you can dream better at night.
Like me.